Did you know in 1932, Australia declared war on emus? Yes, a literal war against flightless birds in the outback. And spoiler alert, the emus won. Farmers in Western Australia were struggling with over 20,000 emus destroying crops after a drought pushed them inland. They asked the military for help, hoping machine guns would solve their pest problem. Major GPW Meredith led the charge with soldiers and Lewis automatic machine guns. But these aren't just any birds. Emus are surprisingly agile, running up to 50 km/h and scattering in small groups, making them incredibly hard targets. After weeks of skirmishes, thousands of rounds fired, and only a few hundred emus eliminated, the Great Emu War was declared a humiliating failure. The birds were simply too clever. No way. Australia actually lost a war to birds. Follow Quick Curios for more bizarre history.